Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful version of the classic key lime pie. A nice tart, sweet pie. Mine won't quite look like the picture, but it'll still be good. You need to start out with half a stick of butter, maybe a little bit extra. And you want to take it out of the wrapper and put it in some sort of a container that you can melt the butter with. I chose to do it on the stove top. You could probably do it in the microwave and it wouldn't really make much difference. Once your butter's melted down, you set it aside, and you're going to need some graham crackers. I'm just using generic graham crackers from the store, and about one package should be fine for a 9-inch pie. You want to just break your graham crackers in two and put them into a food processor with a metal blade. Once all the graham crackers are in, I'm going to put the lid on here and give it a couple pulses to turn the graham crackers into a fine powdery mix. Next, you want to add about 1/3 cup of granulated table sugar to the graham crackers. And once that is incorporated, go ahead and add your melted butter. It gives the graham crackers something to bind to when you're going to spread them out and make them into your crust. Okay, now go ahead and get your pie tin here, and you want to coat it with preferably butter. I chose to use a non-stick vegetable spray. So coat your pan pretty good and grab your graham crackers from your food processor, and we're just going to spread them out with our hands to the bottom of the pie tin and form a crust. Now that our crust is finished, we want to actually put this in the oven for a short time, usually between about 8 and 12 minutes. And your crust should be slightly golden brown. Okay, next we're going to need some eggs, 3 eggs, and specifically we just want to use the yolks. So I'm going to go ahead and crack these eggs here and separate the whites from the yolks, and we'll just save the yolks. So I went ahead here and chose to use a handheld mixer. However, if you have a full-size mixer, that'll work just as well, if not better. But go ahead and mix up those egg yolks, and you want to mix them really good for probably at least 4 minutes until they're really fluffy and creamy in texture. Also, if you have a key lime handy, or even just a regular lime, go ahead and get a really fine grater and go ahead and grate some of the zest off for some extra flavor in your egg mixture. I'll go ahead and reincorporate this. Next, you want 1 can of condensed sweet milk. It's a 14-ounce can, easy to find at any store. Go ahead and slowly whisk that back in to the mixture, and go ahead and continue to mix for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now for the main ingredient here. I chose Nellie & Joe's key lime juice in a concentrated form. If you can find fresh key limes, definitely use those. This is a good alternative, and believe it or not, I got it off of Amazon.com. At the very end, you want to whisk in the key lime juice, but just so it's incorporated. No heavy mixing after this point. We'll take our mixture, we'll spread it out on top of our pie crust. Just dump it all out and spread it evenly. Once we get all the remaining mixture out, we're going to go ahead and put it back in the oven, again at 350 degrees. And simple as that, our pie is almost ready. We'll take it out of the oven and we'll place it on a wire rack to let it cool. Once it's cooled, you want to chill it even further by putting it in the refrigerator. After your pie is well chilled, you can take it back out from the refrigerator and go ahead and garnish it with some whipped cream around the edge. Again, fresh whipped cream would be better, but in this case I went ahead and used a store-bought canned cream. And we'll just decorate the edges. And we'll have our finished, yummy, tart key lime pie. Thanks for watching.